Good day to all. Today we discuss about the topic which is related to agriculture. That my question is, engineering is only for industries, manufacturing industries or emerging industries. Likewise, we place engineering concepts. Why not for agriculture? Agriculture is also one of the parent industry for food production. So, how the engineer roles on agriculture? There are a lot of problems available with agriculture. Why engineers are not taking care of these kind of problems? Okay, this kind of presentation today I can discuss with you. Okay, the initial problem in every year that having the problem which is related to water management. Water management is one of the difficult tasks in agriculture because over water and water scarcity. These are all the problems available with the agriculture, and also how do we stop the water and how do we irrigate the water to the field, which is also one of the important factor available with the agriculture. So water management is one of the important topic. How engineers are contribute their ideas to water management. How can we solve the excess water and the water scarcity problems in farms? Okay, here you see the first diagram represents over water flow on the field, which is also induce the plant problems. Okay, and also water scarcity. Water scarcity affects the land water level. Okay, so that we can't plant any new plants on the field. And also the next one is how can we manage the normal water. In present agriculture field there is no water stoppers, so that farmers utilize the sand for stopping the waters. In that, grabs are making a hole so that the water is escaped from the stopper. From this, the farmer got some feelings about the water scarcity or water droppage available with their stopper. So that the stopper introduction also important. But before that, we should aware about water potential. What is water potential? The clay sand particles are capture the water different than sand. In the upper left corner you see the clay absorbs the water slightly smaller than sand. Sand absorbs larger water particles. Uh, I mean water into the sand particles, so that the water pressure and water potential is important for irrigate the water on the land. So how the water accumulates with the what sand particles. Here you see sand particles is available. In surrounding the sand particles there is capillary water, and then air voids are also available with in sand particles, so that the water pressure surrounding the sand particles is important. We should measure how much of water potential available with the every particles, which is important task. So that we have to identify the water potential sensor for identify the water level in the land and the water potential in the land. Based on the required water potential, we should irrigate the water, so that there are some water potential are utilized the electrical panels or electrical rods used to identify the water potential level available with the water field. So that you should identify the easiest sensor for identify the water level or water potential on the farms. Okay, then next step is water irrigation stoppers. Already I told you the farmers are produce the water stoppers with the sand particles itself or clay itself, and otherwise they are utilizing the agri waste. Okay, from this the crabs are used to make a hole on these developed channels. From this the water escaped from the uh, required area, so that water pressure is dropped down, so the irrigation is affected. So that water irrigation stopper you should identify. The next thing is land utilization. Here you see how to for example I consider the banana farms. In that 1 acre produces 1,000 banana trees. From this I can get the yield as like 1,000 final banana fields. Okay, in that Why I utilize here you see in the first drawing, first photograph, there is one plant at one area. In that, why I not introduce two plants? Here is the major plant, another one is small plant. Small plant is used for next plantation. Why not I utilize two plants at the same place as like the second photograph, okay, which is also introduced in my plant, my field, okay. Myself and my father introduces two plants at the same field, okay. From this I can get 1,000 to 2,000 yields from the same field. So I can utilize 1 acre for further productivity increment with the land, the proper land utilization. Here you see the overall land I utilized two stems at the particular one place. Already they are utilizing the only one plant. Now we are introducing two plants, so that 2,000 plant yield I can get from this same 1 acre land, okay, which is the land utilization for increase the crop productivity, okay. And then no mechanization tools available for farming. Here you see in banana fields there is no narrow channel cutting machine available, okay. You should aware how do we manufacture the narrow channel cutting machines. In bigger channels we can produce the larger channels with larger machines. That larger machines can't uh, enter into the inside of the farm, so which is the major problem available with the banana field. So that you should identify compact narrow channel cutting machine for making these kind of narrow channels in between two plants, okay, which is also one of the important invention needed in uh, banana farming. Here you see the larger machines available. This larger machine can't enter into that smaller place, so that you should identify the portable machines for making these kind of narrow channel cutting for water irrigation. In that machines also has large problem because the wheels are sticking it into the land area, so that we can't move the tractor on the land area. So that we should lot of research work on wheels. How do I transport vehicle with the tires without sticking on nuts? Likewise, we should analyze and invent two new type of tools. I mean, new type of tires for transporting the vehicle from one place to another place inside the farms. Okay, in mechanization, this is also one of the biggest problem available with the agriculture. Next, natural disaster is the biggest headache for farmers because the heavy wind induces the plant falling, which affects the lot of yields and the profits of their hard work. So that you should aware about how do we stop the plant falling. Okay, plant falling during the wind, heavy velocity wind flowing inside the farms, so that you should identify wind breaker mechanisms to the fields. As like this diagrams, you can plant the huge trees in nearest place of farms, okay, which is not possible in all inside farms, okay, because it also affects the land utilization. So that the farmers utilizes the nest for avoiding the winds, which is also one kind of wind breakers. So that we may introduce new kind of wind breakers for saving the plants during the yield time, which is one of the important problem available with the uh, farmers, okay. So that you should identify wind breakers for saving the trees inside the farms, okay. Then smart agriculture. Nowadays artificial intelligence plays vital role in every field. How do I utilize artificial intelligence for smart agriculture? First step, plantation is started from seeds, so that I should identify the seeds inside the bananas or any fruits that inside the seed, inside the fruit, so that I can identify the seeds inside the. I mean, inside the fruit there should be a seed. Of that, inside of that seed there should be a embryos. From that embryos, I can identify it is the good seed or bad seed. through the machine vision system. Okay, in banana tree there is banana available. In that banana there is seeds also available, but we can't be able to see at with the naked eye. So that we should need some machine vision system for identifying the internal seeds without affecting the banana fruits. Okay, after that we should need the robots for planting the trees on field sand. So that nowadays the robots is familiar. So that how do I utilize the robots for farming purpose and also irrigation. Already I told about irrigation. So that now you are aware of irrigation. How do I properly manage the water and how do I spray the water onto the plant that is required level. Based on that, I can utilize the water irrigation robot and also water irrigation mechanisms for producing the good irrigation. And then after irrigation, the plant starts to grow. From that growth, there should be a illness because of insects or any other diseases. We should identify diseases with the aid of machine vision system. Based on the feature extraction details, the leaf are changed from its original shape so that the leaf is affected or fruit is affected. Likewise, we make a decision and then we go for fertilizing spray. Okay, we go for pesticide or fertilizer through drones. We can fertilizing or farming, fertilizing or pesticide spraying with the drones with the aid of artificial intelligence techniques on the farm trees or farm plants. Okay, we can improvise these concepts also for project work in engineering field. And then how do we arrest the natural disaster? We can give the support with the aid of plastics or any other composite materials. We won't get the plastic material into the farm so that we can introduce newer composite materials for saving the plants. Okay, and then how do I remove the unwanted plants from the total field? There are a lot of plants are growing inside the field. From this, unwanted plants are also trying to develop, grow. Okay, so that we should identify the unwanted plants available with the field farms with the aid of machine vision system. Based on the machine vision system, we can conduct a neural network analysis. Based on that, we can train the model. Based on the trained model, we can pick the unwanted plants from the land. This is also one of the important needs available required for farming. And then harvesting. Harvesting is the biggest area. This diagram I show you a robotic arm for picking the tomatoes. Likewise, you should identify different robots, different mechanical systems, mechanized harvesting systems for harvesting the fields. Okay, so that you can identify different kinds of mechanisms for converting your field into smart fields. First, identify the embryos inside the seeds and inside seeds inside the fruits. After that, how do I plant the plantings with the aid of robots? After that, how do I irrigate the field with the aid of robots and any other mechanized systems? And how do I identify the defects with the aid of machine vision system? After that, how do I spray the pesticides and the fertilizer through the land with the drones? And then how do I save the plants from the natural disaster? And after that, how do I pick the unwanted plants from the required plants through the machine vision concepts and the neural network trained networks? After that, how do I manufacture the harvesting mechanism to properly harvest the field? And also finally I combine all the things with our mobile phone. Okay, nowadays our mobile phone is the familiar one and the famous one. Okay, all should have the mobile phone with their hand. So that how do I control all the functions with the aid of mobile phone through the app development? So that finally you may develop the app for controlling this kind of agricultural works. Okay, which is also one of the biggest invention needed for agriculture. So that from these concepts you can convert agriculture into smart agriculture with the artificial intelligence techniques. You try this with your best level. Okay, thank you students and thank you all. You try this, and if you are having any doubt and you may have any interest in that work, I can support you. You can ask me through the comment box as like a doubt. Okay, thank you all.